So y'all, I'm gonna show y'all the best way and easy way how to make some scrambled eggs. We're using Happy Egg, the best, one of the best eggs, one of the best eggs. We have switched over to these eggs. If we don't use these eggs, we use Eggland Best. Y'all, these are a little pricey, but I love quality of the eggs, y'all. So we did a brown egg. Now we're doing a little white egg, y'all. So next we are going to scramble our eggs, not beat them to death. Scramble them just a little bit, not too much, because when you scramble them too much, they become watery. But I noticed that these eggs did not become watery. Maybe because those great value little cheap eggs. Anyway, we're gonna put some garlic powder in it. Yes, pepper. Put them pepper in them eggs, baby. It's gonna hit different. Then the Dano seasoning, of course, we're gonna scramble it up. Not too much, just a little bit, just a little bit. Next, I'm gonna put my butter inside of my pan. Boom. We want to make sure that butter is melted. We're going to make sure that pan is nice and hot. If it's not hot, them eggs is going to not be right. Next, we're going to pour the egg. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Water, we're inside them eggs. Then we're going to put our Kobe Jack Kraft cheese shredded up in there. Not too much of that. Then we're going to move it around. We do not want to overcook our eggs. Do not overcook the eggs because they're nasty when they're overcooked. But look at those. Look how beautiful those eggs are coming out. This is pretty much done. I'm going to put it in for a little bit more. And guess what? I'm serving them.